Hey guys, today we are going to be playing Animal Hospital!
And I hope this isn't.
Whoa. Did I just notice this right now?
Why is.
Yo, not yet. Is that?
What the frick? Who
Is
is
that?
that?
Is that the doctor? Wait, is there doctors in?
Is that, Dr. Creepy?
Doctor? Wait, okay, now let's start the game. Let's start the game. Alright, start now. Work at the hospital until you find out what's really happening.
Well, I'm not ready for what's really happening.
What?
Why did the shutters close?
I think I might have heard that too.
Shutters is like closing a garage door, dude.
Yo, is it working?
Okay. Oh, yeah.
No, it's locked. Yo, no! Wait. Your sanity is... Okay, I don't care, bro. Your sanity is important. If it reaches 0, you die. I have an appointment. What's your name?
What?
What's the person's name?
You gotta check in the registry.
Yeah, let's just see.
Okay, it's called Cinnamon Talking. Wait, Cinnamon Talk? Oh,
Cinnamon Takeda.
Talkie?
What? Talkie dust? Yo.
Or okay. I think we should get the eye drops just in case, herbs just in case, and maple just in case, and cough starch just in. Oh wait, you can't carry more. Okay. That goes on. Aren't you gonna come in room 1 or not? Yo, come on, come.
Wait, bro.
Bro, I don't care about that.
There's a patient. What's the name? I forgot. I'm not gonna do anything stupid. But let's do it now.
Okay.
Oh.
Stomachache. I got some herbs with you.
How do you,
Hope you get better than what you have.
how do you know it's the herbs?
It just said stomachache.
Stomach. How do you already have it?
Oh, I just shoved it up my mouth.
Yo, what?
Also, my maple syrup and my eye drops.
Yeah, I shoved that in my mouth.
Why are you holding? Yo, what the heck are you doing, bro? Wait a minute.
Wait, look at this.
Hold up. Is it just me or did I notice something? Was these ever here? Or what the heck am I just seeing right now? Oh, the doctor. Wait, isn't that the doctor we saw?
No, I think he got. I think that was the version of him. That was a novelty, and someone took his soul and replaced it.
Someone took his soul. That's
I
crazy.
think they took Dr. Harlow and replaced
Howell? Did you
replaced
just?
his soul with chicken.
What?
Okay,
What?
What?
Yo. Wait, don't close it yet, bro. Yo, our first patient is here.
Yeah, I'm the best. I'm a queen. I mean,
Yo.
sweet coffee.
I'm taking
Yes,
coffee.
mine now.
Bro!
I got 97.
Okay, no, wait, let me check the cams.
Cams?
Whoop.
Atletico Madrid. Okay. Okay.
Oh my god!
Okay. I think we should treat him just in case.
He looks too ugly, bro.
Because no wonder why his name is Walter White Teal. Wait, Walter White Teal? Uh-huh. Yeah, Fortnite roll now, Basil?
Huh?
What does that mean? That one.
Alpha male?
Yeah.
I don't even get what the point what you're even saying.
I don't give a 500.
5? Yo.
Why do I feel like someone...
Wait, is there usually? I've seen people saying there was like a
Yo, bro, come in
there was
here.
like a secret. Wait, let me just show the the viewers
It's over here.
something. Yeah, right over here. There's a breakup poster. Is there a key around here?
I don't think so.
Well, let's see what happens.
Okay, let's just go in this room and just read this. You
Yeah.
want a freaking bed monster? Okay, let's just.
Okay, process
I think you need
result.
herbs.
Herbs.
Oh, only noni mint. Only noni mint and it. Only noni mint. Baby.
Why'd you get?
Control. Okay.
Oh, you're not Oliver
Why do I
Tree.
have maple? I'm maple tree.
Maple Tree?
'Cause I have
Yo, what the heck?
Maple wizard tree.
I'm not gonna even question this again.
Hey, bro,
Wait,
come
is there
back.
anybody else?
Oh, okay.
Hold on, that was an anomaly.
Oh, shoot. I forgot to give the wrong one.
Wait, what the?
Wait.
Huh? Yo, wait, that was an anomaly.
Well,
It does nothing to you?
I think the normal ones get affected by evil souls. That's why. Ew. Okay. Have you ever slept? Tonio Robin.
Tonya Robin.
Who are you, a Robin Hood or what? Are you freaking kidding me?
Ew! Ew. Heck no.
Okay. Let's just clean it up. Or let's just leave it.
Coffee. Mine.
Good thing I have 7 you know. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Rumento 5.
Yeah, you're so weird, bro.
No, just I thought it's Tangulu, dude.
Tangulu?
Yeah,
What the heck's a Tangulu?
Tangulu is famous candy that people dip grapes or the special sugar.
I thought you just have to.
So I only have one.
Of course. You only have
I
one.
think she needs. Wait, is that a she or a he? Okay,
Mhm.
let's just add that as a he.
Add that as a he? Yo, are you weird or something?
Bandages and thermal. Okay. Bandages. I got the bandages, you get the thermal.
Thermal. Got the thermal. Ivy drops and what did it say? Ivy drops and then bandages. What are you doing, bro?
I'm eating air.
Air. Okay, the doctor's arriving.
It's my lover. I mean, it's my bride.
I'm sorry. What the? I swear you're so weird.
I know he has a wife, but her wife died, so that's kind of weird.
Buddy, you should have medicine. You should have medicine. Wait, the supply shop will be open. For a minute.
Oh,
Excuse me. Excuse me.
let me just
Alright.
get some medicine.
Just $63. Oh, 138.
Same as me. I'm gonna
Ooh,
get-
teddy bear. $1,000.
Hey, I got medicine like you told me to.
Ron? Wait. You discovered for
Raw from accounting saw me chewing up the
Ron?
to the rat.
Yo.
I heard this guy named Matthew. He's a rat, and he's like 2 foot tall. I'm 1 foot tall.
Ron from accounting.
Yeah,
His big old glasses.
even that's a big, the reason why that's a big sticker, it's because what is his name? Oh, what's this? Fire extinguisher? Wait, what's this button? Oh, show! Stop! Oh god!
Or never mind.
Oh my god!
Is that a headbanger?
Oh,
What happened?
I
Wait.
think you should need some medicine, buddy.
Yo, what?
Eat my
What happens if you give it coffee? Yo.
You just wasted $10,000.
Oh.
Okay, what's this?
Whoa.
Oh, it's Matthew.
Matthew?
This little kid.
Why is he kind of looking at me?
Because
Because he's small and looks like a dang toddler.
Looks like a dang toddler.
He isn't.
Yo, no, he's
Well, I can't believe he's like 22.
Matthew. Do the
Why is
Matthew
his name
dance.
question marks, dude?
Let me check the camera. Bro,
Oh yeah.
you're so weird.
Okay, I'm a treat Russell.
From accounting.
Okay, so what are you? A bunny? A dog? Or maybe a cat?
Ron?
Nice
I think Ron's a bunny.
I wonder why there's dogs.
I will be in room 1. Alright,
Oh, I
is
already
that the
have
next
some medicine with me,
second page?
but I don't have medkit and
Shoot. How many seconds? Oh, Barney's here. But he's gonna need coffee. Barney's first encounter.
I didn't even see what he looks like.
Hey there, friend. I'm Barney. Can you give me coffee? I had a long day.
Oh yeah, just wait a minute. It's gonna be ready any second now.
Are you lagging?
No. Oh, he looks beautiful. Inspection test. Let's give him honey instead.
Honey?
Yeah.
Yo.
Looks like he needs some. Okay.
Wait, how about this? You go do your work. There's some patients I left for you.
Okay.
Okay, so then can you like treat them? And then yeah, more likely.
Why is there a patient in Rapu's room? I mean, there's a person in Rapu's room.
What? Which room is Ratu in? Room 1. Bro,
I mean, like, what if that is an anomaly? Like, you can just eat him.
they're not twins or anything like that. Bro.
I think,
Oh.
cucumber.
So maybe
What you
they're
giving?
friends? That's one of my guesses.
What?
But also, I think we need a bandage.
I already got it.
But also for a fact, that yeah. So then just keep.
I'm just gonna take
Maybe-
a dump in the
wait,
trash
wait.
can. What?
Give Bonnie coffee. Waiting for a very long time. Okay, here you go, Barney. That's just coffee. Just what I needed. Thanks, friend.
That's just one drink.
I needed that. I will remember this.
You know this is one drink?
Yeah, I hope you do.
One drink?
But let's just hope you don't take all our coffee,
Yeah.
bro. I just don't get it. But yeah.
Okay, Matthews successfully done.
We.
The lights turned off. Oh my god, your haircut. You look like a damn unicorn. Okay.
Unicorn?
Yeah.
Excuse
A
me.
mythical unicorn. Ah. Okay.
Alright, so then we got that ready and ready. Yep. Okay, room 1.
Okay.
What the heck
What the
was that?
frick? Again?
Okay, we might be cooked or something like that.
I promise this is not a different game that Animal Hospital, like, no wants.
Dude.
What the frick? You just drank our coffee! Yesterday.
Yo, I don't know if we might be cooked or something like that. What if he
Are
leaves?
you serious? No, you gotta eat foam instead.
What was the sound?
I think there was...
Stalker?
Eat my phone. Or maybe eat my shorts.
Where did you get that? Like the fire extinguisher?
I got that from this box over here.
Oh, Barney, you just had coffee like 5 seconds ago. You went away for 5 seconds and
No.
then came back 5 seconds.
Yeah, you damn butter squishy.
Man, how many coffee are you gonna drink?
I think 14 gallons.
Yo. I feel like we might be cooked at this time.
Dude,
He came out the very wrong timing.
Dude,
Wait,
a few
what if he
weeks ago-
leaves?
A few weeks ago, Barney came in my house and took my phone.
I made a video of him dancing with coffee, and then just posted and then leave away. As soon as I came back, there was a video posted.
Yo.
I'm not imagining like a dang dumpling squishy.
Alright, Barney.
Yeah, you hamster damn.
Thanks, friend. This is delicious.
That's
You
not
are
even
the best.
food. I swear, if he comes on the face,
May I ask for a favor, friend?
Oh shoot.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Is he gonna give us some fire extinguisher?
Suitcase?
Suitcase. Are you serious? Okay, fine. Let's accept.
Okay, let's accept it. It says don't open. Yo, what is in there? It's so heavy.
I don't know. Maybe a gun.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind?
He looks crazy.
Imagine he
Mustache
spawns
looks
back
fake.
again and asks for another coffee.
That mustache looks fake. That's why. Oh shit.
What the? Oh my god.
Now you scream now? You scream now when you're literally on fire? What the frick?
I feel like that's an anomaly or something like that. I checked the cameras, but it's not. Yo, whoa, whoa, whoa! It's an anomaly! It's an anomaly! It's an anomaly.
Okay, close the shutters.
Wait, wait! Yo, not yet, not yet, not yet! Well, I can tell by the look, the eyes. But let's let him in. Don't worry, I'm gonna kill it.
What do you mean by that?
For a second, I thought that was Barney again.
Oh my god! Don't go outside, and the first thing you do, look left.
Why?
Come here, come out. Now look there. I literally saw a stalker there.
Where?
Dude, you don't know?
Oh my god!
Wait, hey bro, come here. Come over here. Look at my brand new bed.
Yo, wait, is that the brother?
Monster. He looks so creepy.
What happened?
Oh, I just discovered a bed monster. I think I'm playing as
Where are
someone
you?
named Intern.
I mean, yeah, of course, bro.
His name matches with a chainsaw. Oh, giblets.
Giblets. Wait, that's the name or just? Oh,
No. My sanity is in 36.
yo, what was that?
I think I accidentally gave
Is
the
it-
wrong treatment to a anomaly.
Good. That's good. That's good to hear. But anyways,
Buck anyways. Wait, isn't this the same person?
yeah, that's what I thought. But no.
Actually, let's do
Yeah.
surgery on her, boy.
Wait, how many people are remaining? Let me check. Okay,
Dude,
people.
I can't even open the door. Okay, it's about time, bro.
Here's the surgery. Yo.
I'm gonna just erase my maple from my inventory.
Yo! Whoa!
Sorry, I ate some names hot chicken. I did a Reaper chicken. And extra hot.
And did not end well.
Yeah.
Yo, where's the medkit?
Medkit.
This is surgery. And I'm a doctor.
And I have to rinse him up just in case.
Yo, whoa. Scissors? Wait, where's the scissors? Oh, there. Okay. Scissors. How many seconds?
Just 16.
Oh, we completed
Rinsing
it.
is completed. Now my job here
Why are you keep raising up people, bro?
is
Bro!
here. Oh shoot. Okay, I think we should treat patients about now. 2 is empty, 4 is empty. 3 is empty, and 5 is empty.
Alright, now let's see what cough syrup and herbs.
Oh, herbs? Okay. Cornstarch.
I got it.
I already got it.
I already got it.
Already got it. Oh,
Let me just
Dr.
garbage.
Harlow.
Dr. Harlow, what's up, my boy?
Yeah, hello, my love.
You're so
You
cringe,
heard
bro.
nothing, dude. You heard no dang thing. Now I'm gonna buy this gun.
Some patients may seem unstable.
Yeah,
What
just
does he
like
mean by that? Make sure to use the photo and camera.
I think I should use
Stay
the
alert.
toilet instead.
What?
I think I should use the
I will
Oh
unlock
yeah, you
Taser.
I got taser. Aha.
Yo.
Okay, 4 patients treated. 1 minute. Shop is open. Chill.
Yes, I'm the best.
Chocolate
Best.
candy. I got chocolate candy.
That's what you get.
Wait.
I
What's
also got 25% printers fast. You can buy the second.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy it.
Coffee's also ready.
I'm
I
gonna.
got coffee and chocolate.
Wait, what if Barney? Keep it for Barney also.
Too. I ate chocolate. Sorry.
Am I crunching too loud or what?
Yo, don't eat it right now.
Dude, I only had 36 sanity, dude.
Okay, makes
Now I have
sense.
81, dude. I have my last chocolate and last coffee.
Keep the coffee for Barney. We might need it for Barney.
I got from Temu.
Bro, you Timu.
If you mind, I want.
Wait, 2 cameras are down.
I want to tase this person. Can I please tase her?
Alright, 2 people are here. Yo, can you fix one camera over
I
there?
want to tase one person.
No, don't.
Okay, fine.
Don't, bro. Unless if I caught something weird.
Can you take the dang stamp?
Oh my god, I have
To work. And that's why.
one job.
Hold up, wait.
Okay.
Okay, let me check the cam.
Okay.
Wait.
I wanted to taste someone, dude.
Okay.
Wait, cinnamon.
Moro Koro Kara?
Isn't there another one with cinnamon?
Yeah. I think so. Or it was Walter Itted and we're just imagining. Did you just poop?
Are you crazy?
Ibu.
He pooped. No pooping allowed. Oh my god!
What did I just see?
As soon as he was like running away, we
Got
Anomaly.
inside my.
body, and then I literally saw a green
I saw it.
and red
Wait, that
Mouse?
was a mimic. That was a
Yep.
mimic.
But it wasn't even showing what's happening. Okay, she seems fine. I'm sorry, what room did you say?
Room 6. Why?
No, I was crunching when she said that.
Barney, my friendo.
Still got a oh wait, there. Sorry. Sonic. Sonic, come here. Come here now.
Yo, hold on, my thing got disconnected.
Maybe eating it will work.
Oh, sorry guys. My thing got disconnected.
Yeah, my
I
mic
didn't
got
notice it.
disconnected. That's why I said Sonic wrong. Okay.
Coffees.
Sonic, we gotta do what we gotta do. You know what I mean? I mean the surgery.
Wait, he's asking for a favor.
What, coffee? I already got coffee up my sleeve.
Could you use that camera to take a picture of me?
Here you go.
Okay.
Here you go. Here you go.
Oh, what
Here
is he? Oh my god! Yo!
I'm taking taser. It's not even ready. Ah! You deserve foam instead.
What am I just seeing? What am I seeing?
I'm traumatized.
What am I seeing?
A $9 person. That's
A $9 person?
That's right next to you. Yeah, I only have 9. My name is Intern. Yeah. Oh, it's Rathu Chocolates.
For Rathu's first encounter.
I feel like I already seen him. Didn't we?
Yeah, his name is Rathu. Don't you know?
No, like we already seen him in in shift 1 and treated him.
Yeah, and remember I said his name was Ratu.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Bro.
Wait, let me check the cams.
You look
Yo, what the heck?
Jurassic Park in real life.
Wait, let me treat him. Wait, don't taser him yet. I have an idea.
It's like my meal.
Here.
After the oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Taser him.
Oh.
Him.
No pooping in my server. Stupid. Learn to not poop. This is not a pooping zoo. This is a normal high school
High school?
doctor's office.
We're not high schooling, bro.
I'm barely in 4th squad. I'm just kidding. Is this pony little boy? 51, 58, 59. Wait, 51, 59, 60. Okay. Okay, Matthew. What the heck do you need?
Did he just poop?
Taser.
No. No taser.
I wish I could. Or I have a gun.
Guys,
Coffee!
I also have an idea. How about I just garbage stuff quickly?
Coffee! I love coffee. Canadian. No way Matthew's Canadian. Medicine maple syrup. Dude, you
Add the medicine.
can you give the dang medicine?
I'm trying to do a garbage streak. Oh yeah, I completed a waster.
Just get 3 items in a row and then do it.
I've done it. Okay, I'm gonna treat the customers. Okay, covering. Wait.
Burritos, we bring the taco. I mean, we love the taco. What the frick? Okay, I think we gotta do surgery after like a month. I got coffee. Oh wait, IV drops.
Alright, it started. Okay.
Oh, monsters, dude. When is medkit coming? Oh my.
Why do I have two medicine? Oh,
Antibiotic, bandages, scalpel.
I have them in my side. Like right now. I'm done this.
No medkit? Wow.
You were holding a medikit?
Yes.
The whole zone.
I was holding a medkit. Just
Wait a minute. I remember we let an anomaly in.
I don't think so. We tased the anomaly.
Oh wait, yeah. We tased them.
I thought you were gonna ruin
I thought you were gonna ruin.
it. Dude, the first one I saw it doing it again. Hey, look, how do I get down? Oh my god, why can't I come in here? Why can't I come down? Sonic, I can't come down.
Then just come down.
Ah,
Come down.
let me drink some coffee. Whee! Okay. That's so embarrassing. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
thermal and maple syrup.
Maybe it will work.
Okay, I got thermal and maple syrup.
Oh, we got a patient. Let me just. I want to tase her. I mean, she's normal, but I just don't want to treat any more patients for right now.
Did you just tase
So
one?
sorry. I didn't want it to do everybody's. So. Yo! Again?
What?
I see a mimic mouth when I taste normal mouths. Okay, she's Canadian, I think. Wait. Oh my god. Wait, minute. Maple syrup.
I got IV drops.
I got medicine.
Is the doctor? Oh wait.
Why the heck am I doing all your rabbit double? I can't believe we're in shift 4 now. Someone's highest shift was 101. Okay, finally the doctor's arriving.
Anomaly attack.
We gotta prepare, dude.
Whoa, whoa.
People died and many more were hurt. Yo, how's that?
Be prepared. The ambulance is coming.
I wish I could shoot this anomaly, dude. Imagine we had the secret agent, dude.
Yo, let me check the
Turns out that
cams.
was powerful.
I want to check the cameras.
Dude, don't check it now. There's gonna be a patient on that. Okay.
Yo. Oh my god.
Sonic,
Yo.
come on, treat the patients.
Yo. Anomaly.
Where?
In room 8. But first we're just gonna do room 3 and room 7. Are you in room 7?
I'm in room 3.
Room 3?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm not in room 7.
Dude, quick.
Yo, why is he there?
Thermal. Cough starch, thermal. Cough starch, thermal.
Yo! You might be cooked.
Dude, what you doing room 7?
I'm doing it.
I just saw stuff.
Stalker's staying there. I don't know why.
Dude, why did she poop her pants? Yellow, blue.
Okay, heart scan complete. Heart scan complete. Okay.
Blue,
Okay, Medikit, eye drops, and cuff.
yellow,
So,
blue, pink, yellow.
Medikit. Oh shoot.
Dude, don't.
Don't kill us.
I
dude.
hope it doesn't die on me.
3, 2.
Oh my god, in 2 seconds?
Wow. Yeah, it won't stay. It keeps staying.
Treating, room number
What the heck? Is it not supposed to stay or something like that? Bro.
Maple bandage herbs. Maple bandage herbs. Maple
It's gone. It's gone.
herbs.
Do you go? Wait, let me get the taser real quick.
Diogo, Diogo,
Oh, wait. Let's treat it first. No, wait, not yet. Yo.
I feed her my coffee. Run!
Yo.
Feed her my coffee. Run!
Just run!
Uh-oh.
You disaster this.
No.
Let me come, baby.
Well, you sound
That's what you get.
Yo!
You looking like a da-da-da or
Yo, you're laughing too much. Yeah. So, yeah.
Harpa.
Yo, I can see them out. Look at them out. I'm looking at them out.
Maybe eating her will
Yo.
work. If Barney comes in the wrongest time possible, I'm going to eat him. I promise.
Bruh.
Okay, finally I can drink my coffee in peace. Hope he doesn't come. I'm checking the windows for 100%. Okay, Barney, make sure to not come in here.
Wait, Barney here?
No, I'm just saying. I'm gonna drink my last sip.
Okay? And if you come,
As soon as I drink it, I will come to your house and beat you with a belt.
deal?
Alright.
Bro, you're not Barney.
No, I'm saying alright. I'm done with patient. Patient in room 2.
Drink my coffee right now. What?
What?
I just can't for what happened, dude.
What?
Dude, as soon as I came down, I accidentally gone in a bed monster.
Again?
No, about 1 minute ago.
Medical and herbs.
Medical and herbs.
Medical.
I got herbs.
Okay, you got
You
herbs.
herbing person.
Alright, we got that done. Alright, guys. We might be stopping from here. We will make a part 2. Bro, be quiet. Okay, guys, we might make a part 2.
Wait, let's just do the shift report, please. Let's just do a shift report. Shift report, please.
Fine.
What ambulance will come?
Ambulance. Oh
Prepare.
my god.
Be prepared. I think our last shift will be the most. Boris! Yay!
Yes.
Give
Let's
me
go.
the money. Mr. Beast, give me some money. Give me some money. Mr. Beast, give me some money.
Yo.
I got 409. Dude, no way you're the best. Even though I literally... Bro. I bought that one.
Wait.
Suave. 4. Wait, before you end the video, please. Before you end the video. Bye.
Wait. Before we leave, I'm gonna.
Good thing I have coffee, you little looking bunny. You look like a dang flicker life looking what the heck?
Alright, guys, we're gonna stop from here.
You got hit back.
Be quiet. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe. No, be quiet.
Okay.
Alright, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, guys, bye.